Back again, YouTube videos, promoting our West Coast Polishing and Detailing Company. The boys over here putting it down in our bay. We got a couple of trucks, one of them Univer, global company, another one a regular customer. Again, just showing some of the procedures and some of the techniques West Coast has to offer. Among polishing and detailing and a variety of other services, we also now manufacture right here in Fresno, California, our own polishing. We're introducing a West Coast Polish now exclusively. It's been in the making for quite some time. It incorporates some chromium oxides, real well in cutting. It cuts, it dissolves the chromium oxides, and allows for a lustrous finish. You can check it out on our website, westcoastpolishing.com, or you can check it out on YouTube. Really good stuff, bar none, hands down, the best stuff in the country. Seeing is believing. The eating is in the proof. The proof of the pudding is in the eating. So check it out. Give us a call. Hope to hear from you.